Well, here it is, guys. This is the awesome mine I was telling you about. Wow, Mater, you are right. There's even trains here. I don't know, man. Do you see that sign there? It says keep out. Ah, shoot. I don't read signs. Okay, whatever, man. Woo! Ew! Whee! Pit stop. Yay! Wow, Mater, you were right. This sure is fun. I'm cranky. Can't you guys read the sign? Says keep out. Uh-oh. I'm going to get your cars. Sorry, Mr. Cranky, sir. We'll never do this again, I promise. I'm the world's fastest race car. You wouldn't hurt the world's fastest race car, would you? Not McQueen. Help, guys, help! Don't worry, McQueen, we've got you. Hurry, everyone, let's climb on each other's backs to reach McQueen. This is a great idea. Oh, uh-oh. Guys, come on! McQueen, we have an idea. Pit stop. Press that button, Guido. Wrong one. There you go. We got him. Hurry, Fillmore. Yay! Thanks, guys. Hee hee hee. Swoosh, 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 swoosh. I'm even more cranky now. Wow, Guido, you're the best forklift in the world. Pit stop. Thank you for watching and have a great day.